Wow, 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 wow. Bitcoin, guys, is absolutely exploding right now, cracking $79,000. We could see right here that BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF is officially bigger than gold's ETF, $33.3 billion in assets in just 10 months. This is crazy impressive, guys. Very, very crazy and impressive. We could see right here that the ETF inflow right before the weekend started, we had a $1.3 billion of ETF inflow on BlackRock. I mean, that is just insane. If you guys do want to follow my Twitter for quick updates, this is my Twitter right here, Real Crypto. Those link will be in the description below. My old account did get hacked, but I do want to talk about Bitcoin in just a second. But before that is, can we see a massive altcoin season very, very soon? We could see right here that the monthly, we're getting out of Bitcoin season. A lot of money is flowing into the altcoins. Will it be an altcoin year? Is it going to be just an altcoin month? Is it going to be an altcoin season? If we have a look at Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin is absolutely pumping. The Bitcoin dominance is obviously pumping as well. So we did have a nice little dump right here on the Bitcoin dominance. But guess what? More money is flowing into Bitcoin as Bitcoin is cracking $79,000. Bitcoin is about to hit 80K, guys. We have not seen 80K range, I mean, ever, guys. This is literally beyond insane. The previous all-time high was obviously 73,930. We did break this nice little beautiful range. Bitcoin is obviously entering a overbought area right here, as you guys can see, and we know historically every time we are overbought, we usually have these pullbacks, these corrections. So we saw it right here, and the big question is, does Bitcoin really care about a correction right now, or are we going to go straight to $100,000? Well, if we have a look at the weekly time frame right here, it seems like Bitcoin does have a little bit to go. It seems like we do want to run. Let's just clear this real quick. This is a stochastic RSI on Bitcoin right here. We have not been this overbought, guys, since about a year ago. Okay, since a year ago, we have not been overbought. So obviously, this is really, really, really impressive. And this pump obviously comes after Donald Trump's winnings. And we know Donald Trump is very pro Bitcoin, very pro cryptocurrency. And, you know, he's going to make pretty much Bitcoin a new tax haven, or, you know, Bitcoin, it's just, they want to make it bigger than Dubai. Okay, so this is obviously very, very impressive, guys. I mean, there's just so much to talk about here. I don't even know where to start. If we have a look right here on the 4-hour time frame, it seems like Bitcoin still wants to pump. I mean, look at the stochastic RSI. It seems like we still have some ways to go. An indicator that I do want to talk about, guys, is obviously this indicator right here. It's a trend focus and the VPVR. So let's have a look at the volume, the volume profile right here on the weekly. This is the volume profile on the weekly, guys. You guys can see it's obviously okay. We're not seeing the volume profile showing up anytime soon. So we could see right here. First of all, ever since we had that nice little green dot right here, or that green buy signal, that's just been bullish. Everything has been to the upside, and we have not seen a red signal ever since, right? So obviously this is really, really bullish. If we have a look on the daily time frame, guys, we did have a nice little buy signal right here on September 25th, and pretty much ever since we've been trending to the upside. And we also did have a nice little pullback to this volume profile, which is a POC level point of control. We also have a nice little support right here on the volume profile, which is really, really good. And this volume profile also bounces off right at the moving average of the trend focus level. So let me remove all these indicators and pull up the EMA ribbons. If you guys know the EMA ribbons, they're probably one of my favorite indicators out there. And let's have a look on where the EMA ribbons are. So if we have a look at the EMA ribbons on a daily, guys, we know historically the EMA ribbons are pretty bullish. Every time we pretty much come up, we usually have these nice little rebounds or retests on the exponential moving average. And the big question is, can we see the EMA ribbon pretty much come back and retest maybe at $74,000 if my calculation is accurate? But overall, these exponential moving average have been pretty accurate, you know, on pretty much every time frame. I mean, look at this, guys. If I have a look on the 8-hour, you could see that every time we are above it, we're always trending, and we're always pretty much bullish above the EMA ribbon. Weekly time frame, Bitcoin has not been below the EMA ribbon since March 13, 2023. So we've always been, trending above it. And as long, guys, as we stay and are pretty much above these exponential moving average, I don't really see Bitcoin coming back down. The same thing we saw last time in the last bear market. I mean, the bull market, we saw Bitcoin pretty much peaking to as high as $69,000, $69,420. This is a joke. before pretty much cracking and closing below the EMA ribbon. We saw a nice little dead cat bounce, and now Bitcoin is pretty much swinging to the upside. So that's pretty much what's happening. Ethereum, guys, can Ethereum be making big moves? We have not seen an all-time high on Ethereum just yet. The bullish thing about Ethereum is that Ethereum is pretty much cracking above these exponential moving average for the first time since August 2024. And we know the last time that Ethereum did break above the EMA ribbon, we saw Ethereum run from all the way 1,736 to 4,000. And can we see the same type of run? Ethereum is having a historical week right here, as you guys can see. Probably one of the best weeks it's had since I would say this week right here, May 24th, or May 2024, I should say. So obviously this is a very good sign for Ethereum. If I actually clear the charts real quick on ETH, let me just clear the charts, clear the indicators. We could see that Ethereum also did break this nice little downtrend on on the weekly time frame, which is pretty darn bullish in my opinion. Things are looking pretty fucking good. Sorry, excuse my French, for Ethereum. We also did break this nice little consolidation phase right here on Ethereum. I mean, you can see, guys, we have been consolidating, or Ethereum has been consolidating since August, and guess what happened? We finally broke above it. I wouldn't be surprised if we do have a nice little retest before coming back up and retesting 5, 6, 7,000, even $10,000. This is the rest. I mean, I don't really have much to say, guys. I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted, but this is my video. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in